You know, if I can give you one challenge would be, which will rock and change the world of your entire building, is if, and you can take it in little chunks, class by class or building by building, but learn every kid's name. Just challenge yourself to learn every kid's name in this school. Our art teachers do it, our music teachers do it, our PE teachers do it. A lot of our parents do it because they have duties. If you can just learn the kids' names and you just call them by name out of the blue, it just changes their world. And so when you're in the hallway and you say, hey, use your walking feet, Jake, they're like, okay. And they look at you totally different. And it's great when kids say, how do you know my name? And I say, because we're Wallace Elementary School. We know everybody's name. And by the way, it's good to see you today. That's the stuff. You know, when we talk about, I want to be noticed, I want to be heard from, I want a voice, that's where it starts. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.